Good morning. Today is February 22 and it's a rainy day. Rainy day outside. Look, it's dark outside. So the plan today is Victoria has a voice lesson, but I won't be coming with them. I'm tired. I just want to rest my foot. Usually I come with them, but today I'm gonna stay home. Very good, ate. So they're going to Park Mall for Victoria's voice lesson from 1 to 3. I decided to stay home because I have to prepare for her.
Bye, mommy.
For her for the exam, and I want to rest my foot. Muti ka di? Muto na diyo. What? We love you. Oh, no fighting, ha? Don't give daddy hard time. Okay. So my struggle recently is the itchiness of my body, in my tummy, every part of my body. So once I touch this one and scratch or do something, it's really uncontrollable. Kanang scratching, as in lami. Masamad lami. So the kids and Tony are back, and I have so many hugason. It's nice that I know to stay at home during weekends. Less gasto and relaxing. And now I'm gonna cook food for the kids. I already cooked rice because they eat rice. I'm gonna cook cabbage with chicken because there's leftover of chicken, fried chicken. So I'm gonna cook this. I'm gonna cook that. Very simple for their dinner. And I'm gonna wash these. It is Sunday and we're going to church today. It is February 23 and we're preparing for the church. And this is our first weekend that I did not go out. Actually, this is like throughout the week I did not go out there, as in.
I'm gonna be with you.
Yes, you're gonna be with me.
So cute. Mommy's so cute. Thank you, Lord, like we're gonna make our drive safe, like we're gonna go to church, and we're gonna praise you, Lord.
Thank you.
Look at my drawing, Ma. Ma, look at my drawing.
Wala ako na yung sinuhati para makita yung mga naon. Ako rin naon. Bala na ako dimod. Kuhan kayo. You know what?
Hi! Hi, how are you?
Carnivore. So no, Tony, this is the last day of Tony eating rice. Tomorrow he will start strict carnivore. So we arrived from church. We actually came from Park Mall, then come home. And the kids are sleeping. It's 5 p.m. already. Where are you going? Now what slept for how many hours? No, tulo. 2 hours. Now he will go outside to buy something so that he will use his energy. Let me see your... Uy, you have pink helmet? Guys, matug na tanin nyo. Please. Ano mo
My hair is soft.
Please.
Turn off the light. Turn off the light.
Look, guys, my hair is soft.
Guys, please.
Turn off the light.
Go to your place. No. Do not turn. Ay, go akong tiil.
Turn off the light.
Go akong tiil.
Turn off the light. Pagdali.
Turn off the light. Go to your place, ate. Noah, go to your place.
Oh, wow.
Hala, di na maigos on. Ata, uy. Noah, alin na. Ala, sige. Ginatawag, gina. Go to your place. Go to your place. ha? Ate ka na.
Mommy, I want to see.